What's up, guys? My name is Andre. I'm the CEO of edgeful. In this video, I want to cover everything you need to know about the 3 best trading indicators for futures traders. So there's 3 that I want to cover. Right here, it's called edgeful-market sessions. So how do you get access to this? First of all, these are invite-only scripts. These are invite-only trading view indicators from edgeful. So if you want to get access to these, you need a edgeful subscription. It is part of the edgeful plan, but if you click right over here, you can get access to the trading view indicators that we have. There are over 35 of them that are part of the edgeful plan, but I want to cover just 3 of them today that are going to help you understand exactly what to do, where your key levels are every single day, and I'm going to show you 3 examples of why they're really great. So first of all, I'm going to hide these 2, and I want to show you guys these blue boxes. So for anyone who trades futures, it is very, very difficult to understand where your previous New York high, previous New York low, open or close are on a naked chart like this. I genuinely don't understand how people do it. So we built an indicator that's going to plot a box for you that shows you exactly where the New York sessions are. These are customizable. So if you double click on it or go to the settings over here, you can actually plot the London and Asian sessions as well. So I know a lot of people like to see when price breaks London's range or sweeps Asia's low or high or whatever it is. You can see it right over here. Very, very simple on your charts every single day, automatically plotted for you. An extremely powerful indicator. I personally always have it on my charts. If you've ever seen another video of mine, you'll notice that I always have these blue boxes on here. So understanding where, and I'll just show you guys a different thing here. So these lines actually tell you where the open to the close of the session is. So you can very easily see if a session is red or green, which is really, really nice. So even here, you can see very easily at the, with just looking from the open to the close, this would be a green session, even though there's a larger sell-off here. So that's the first indicator, edgeful-market sessions. Number 2 is the initial bounce breakout indicator. So I'm actually going to hide these lines just so it could be pretty clean here. What does this do? Plots the initial bounce high and low every single day for you. So you can see right over here, I don't need to worry anymore about plotting my key levels automatically for me every single day. They're going to plot. So that's very important. You don't want to waste your mental capital trying to figure out where these lines are. Or if you make a mistake one day plotting on the wrong time, that's going to be a problem. So this will do it for you automatically every day. Now this actually coincides with the initial bounce report on edgeful. So what this report says is 73% of the time in the last 6 months on NQ, price is only going to break one side of the initial bounce, right? So what that means here is that as soon as one side of the IV breaks, you want to expect price to continue. And the best way to see that right here is with the indicator. So these are not, by the way, which I'm sure you've picked up by now, these are not buy and sell signal indicators. There is no holy grail. You don't want to use those. These are things that plot key levels every day. They give you a bias. These are all backed by data, which is really nice. Obviously, this is the entire core of edgeful. And the last indicator that I'm going to show you here is the opening candle continuation. So you can see I'll turn this off. You can see I have this green, the red box here. What are these doing? So we go to the opening candle continuation report. What does this measure? This looks at the color of the first hour of the session, which just gets automatically plotted for you right here. You can obviously see that. What this shows is that if the first hour of the session is green, 79% of the time in the last 6 months, NQ has closed green on the day. So what that means, or on the session rather, that New York session. So what this means is this is a very strong bias. Now, if we look at these last 3 days, right here, green opening candle, price breaks IB high, look at that run. Red opening candle, price breaks IB low, look at the run. Red opening candle, price breaks IB low, look at the run. So this is how you can use data-backed indicators to actually inform you to take positive expectancy trades, high probability trades. This is how you're going to do it. You're not going to get some EMA, SMA, buy signal, or whatever else. Those are honestly garbage. They're only going to waste you money and waste you time. Start focusing on things that give you key levels that are data backed every single day. If you guys want access to this, edgeful.com is where you have to go. Appreciate you watching.